Tesla is one of the most successful and popular car companies in the world. It is also one of the most innovative car companies. Tesla has a future plan for 2022 that includes a new electric truck, new electric bus, and a new SUV. Tesla's future plans include an all-electric truck, an all-electric bus, and an all-electric SUV. Tesla plans to have its own battery factory by 2020, with production ramping up in 2022 to meet demand for these vehicles. Before we begin, please like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to receive more fantastic videos every day. Tesla has been able to innovate because it was founded by Elon Musk, who is known as the real-life Tony Stark. He has helped Tesla become one of the most successful and innovative car companies in the world, with over 100 patents under his belt. Tesla is a company that has been changing the world of transportation and technology. The company has been on the rise since its inception in 2003 and has a lot of future plans for the future. Tesla is currently focusing on four main areas: autonomous driving, energy, mobility, and cities. In 2022, Tesla will be releasing its first electric semi-truck with an autonomous driving feature. This truck will be able to drive itself up to 500 miles without driver intervention. Tesla's biggest achievement in 2018 was the launch of the Model 3, their affordable mass-market car that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Tesla has a lot of future plans, which includes the production of Tesla Roadster and Tesla semi-truck. Tesla is now one of the most desired companies in America, and it mostly has to do with their future plans. The company is continuously developing new products that will help to change the way Americans and the world uses mobility. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has a lot of grand visions for Tesla, and he even hints at an expansion into space travel. Tesla is currently working on its upcoming vehicle called Model 3, which will be the cheapest car in the Tesla lineup. The company has already announced that it will not launch another model in 2022. Elon Musk's challenge is to create a design for a new car that will be affordable for everyone as well as appealing to consumers. Dr. Krishna Kaluri has been working at Tesla for many years now. He was the head of the design studio, called Design Studio New York, and served as chief designer for Model S, Model X, and the Roadster. During his career, he has worked with Elon Musk to create a design for a new car that could be affordable for all people, as well as a reverse-engineered mobile OS. Tesla Roadster, the company has not yet revealed its timeline for the release of this vehicle. Tesla has not yet announced the timeline for the release of its new vehicle. Tesla is known for its innovative technology, and this product will be no different. The company promises to deliver a range of at least 620 miles with a charging time of less than 90 minutes.